Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I'm very excited. I'm always very excited whenever I get to talk about a friend's artwork, a friend's projects and a friend just achieving good things in the world. So today, the particular friend that I'm going to be talking about is Sara Rose. You may have seen her in the chat on the live streams. She is a channel member and she is a good friend. I got to know her artwork through the Creatures of Darkness project that she did, where she collaborated with Nerdy Crafter. She then went on to release 2 colouring books. I have one of those here. This is the More Unicorns of the World. There is also a Unicorns of the World colouring book, which I have somewhere. And these were available on Amazon. The sad thing about Amazon produced colouring books is that the paper is pretty thin. You can see that you can see through to the picture behind, and yeah, they're just not great for the types of alcohol markers and things that we like to play with these days. So I am excited to tell you that Sara's art books are now available through Lulu, and I've got one. So I'm going to unbox it now and we'll have a look together. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Let's get inside. So there are 2 options when you order the book on Lulu. And this is essentially both the Unicorns of the World and the More Unicorns of the World combined into one book. But you have the option to get it as a standard paperback, or what I've done is I've got it as a spiral bound, and it's spiral bound at the top, which is great for me because I'm a lefty and it's very frustrating if a book is spiral bound on the left hand side and I'm constantly like rubbing against it with my hand, and it's just lovely. So this book now contains, as I said, the content, the updated contents really of both the original books. So even if you've got both the original ones, there will be some differences in here because some of the artwork has been updated. So Unicorns of the World, it says here, is a colouring book and more. It takes the reader and colourer on an adventure to meet unicorns, to learn about their lives and magic and discover how to locate them in the future. Suitable for all ages and skill levels, Unicorns of the World is a nature documentary through imagination, presented with humour and love and just a smidge of rivalry between unicorn and dragon experts. There are 18 unique types of unicorns, 36 pages to colour, so you get 2 of each type of unicorn. There is no AI and it is suitable for everybody. So we've got a page for colour testing, and then we go through. So we've got the desert unicorn with 2 pages, information about the tundra unicorn, and you'll notice nothing on the back, so you don't have to worry about bleed. You can tear these pages out if you want to, you can trim them. There is nothing to get in the way of you working on these in any way that you would want to. So yeah, really lovely. And there are some pictures that I recognise from the other books, but also some of them have got lots of extra little details that weren't in the original, which is really nice. I love the fact that we get some background information on each of the different types of unicorn. And I like that there's plenty of scope for you to embellish them with your own patterns and designs and to really make them your own. These are fabulous. So, sky unicorns. Oh, beautiful. Love it. I am very much a fan of all things, you know, My Little Pony. Consider myself a Pegasister. So, yeah, anything that's unicorns and particularly alicorns, I am a big fan of. But I do like the watery ones as well. I love it. So good. And just, it's really nice to be able to purchase a book and know that actual heart and soul went into it. It wasn't, this is hours upon hours of work to get to this stage. And I think that's wonderful. And just, to point out, even for the sort of higher quality version with the spiral bound, it's still only £12.50, which is incredibly reasonable. And if you want it without the spiral bound and it's just a standard paperback edition, it's only £9.50. And I think that's brilliant. It really is. So yeah, I think I'm going to finish off this video by having a crack at one of these pictures in a little time lapse, and then hopefully you will go over to have a peep at Sarah's new website, which is sararoseart.com, and also then there is a link if you go to the shop section. You can then find a link that goes direct to her page on Lulu, so that you then have the choice of the two books to choose from, the spiral bound at £12.50 or the standard paperback at £9.50, which, now I've just got to choose which picture I'm going to do. Oh, I'm going to choose one to do and have a go with some alcohol markers, seeing how it turns out. Okay, so I'm going to stop here because I am in danger of ruining anything that this could possibly become. And as you can probably see, I am running out of ink in quite a few of my pens. They are in need of refills or repurchases. I have gone in with my blender, my alcohol marker blender, to try and get rid of some of that scrubbiness. But I think what I'll probably do is keep this as a base and then go back in with some colour pencils over the top, just to give it a bit more definition and depth. But, I mean, I challenged myself because I don't... Colouring fire isn't something I do on the regular. So that was a bit of a challenge, but I had fun with it. Played it a little bit safe. But yeah, I'm happy with that. But I gave this paper a workout. And you will see, yes, it has bled through. I had a spare sheet of paper underneath, but we have no damage on that page because I had a spare page in there. And obviously I could have, if I wanted to, I could have worked entirely with the rest of the book tucked out of the way and this page only on my desk. But that's actually kind of cool. I quite like that. This is where we find ourselves and where I'm going to stop. I'm so pleased with this. Honestly, it's such an upgrade from what we had before. One of the other things I have to mention is that I coloured over the ink in a number of places with alcohol marker and it hasn't smudged at all. Whereas with other cheaper printed colouring books, you will find that the alcohol markers will kind of eat up the print on the page and you'll find that you get grey smudges everywhere. I haven't had that with this. So, obviously slightly biased, she is my friend, but you're going to get my honest opinion, and that is that I think this is a wonderful upgrade and a wonderful addition, even if you've got the other books. You maybe give those to a niece or a nephew or somebody, or only colour in those ones with colouring pencils and not alcohol markers. But this is 100% upgrade. it's fabulous, and I cannot wait to work on more of them, and I'm sure you'll see more of them on the channel, particularly if you pop in for a live or something. I tend to do some colouring then when you can help me pick the colours. So yeah, but I definitely need to, if nothing else, I need to replace pretty much all of my grey markers because they are all dying. So yeah, thanks for joining me today on this little colouring book review. I will pop links for Sarah's website and the link for the direct purchase page for the colouring book, so you can go and find it for yourself. There is the two versions, the spiral bound and a regular paperback, so go check them out. Thank you to everybody that supports the channel. I am so grateful. You guys give me the funds to be able to go and buy lovely lovely books. So thank you so much. If anybody wants to join them, links are down below. I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are. And with that being said, I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much, and huge congratulations to Sarah on this next step in her art journey. So until next time, stay crafty.